Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
To use the reverse light bulbs, we'll lift up the hatch. There's two access panels on the back of the hatch for both sides. So the procedure will be exactly the same. Use a plastic prying tool. You can get this from 1aauto.com. This has got a bunch of clips around the other edge, the outside edge. So you kind of just get up underneath it and pop it out. And you have to work around it. It's in here pretty tightly. Here. See all the clips? Put that aside. And we get to the socket that has the backup light bulb. There's actually an arrow here, matches up with that arrow, and then that arrow here. So we're going to turn it to counterclockwise to unlock it. It's pretty tight. Pull it down. We'll take it out. This is a 921 bulb. It just pushes back in to reinstall it. And then if you wanted to change the socket, you can unplug it. Just put it back in, find the little locating holes so it should line up with that arrow there, and then turn it clockwise. Locks in place. The opposite side will be the exact same procedure. We'll reinstall the cover. It does have pointed corners and then a curved corner, so you'll match them up. And get that clipped into place. And that's how you replace the reverse light bulb.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.